There are two ways to add audio into Audacity. The first is to record directly in the program. Audacity will automatically use your computer's built-in microphone or whichever microphone you have connected. If you're working in our podcast studio, the studio computers already have Audacity installed, so you're ready to go. If you're using your own laptop, just make sure Audacity is downloaded ahead of time. To start recording, simply click the red record button. Welcome to Threads of Time, the podcast where we unravel the stories behind what we wear and explore how fashion... Oops, made a mistake. Let's edit this out. And explore how fashion has shaped history and how history has shaped fashion. To finish recording, click the square stop button. The second way to bring in audio is by importing a file you've already recorded somewhere else. To do this, go to File, then Import, then Audio, and choose the file you're looking to edit. Now that I have my audio track ready, let's look at how to clean it up. I want to cut out the small mistake I made while recording. Up at the top of the screen, you'll notice a row of tools that make editing much easier. The one I use most often is the Selection tool, which looks like a capital I. This lets me highlight specific parts of my track, whether I want to delete them, copy them, or just play them back. Next to that are the magnifying glass icons, which are the zoom controls. Use the plus magnifier to zoom in closer on your audio for more precise editing, and the minus magnifier to zoom back out and see the bigger picture. Here's the section of audio I want to remove. With the Selection tool, I'll highlight the area I want to delete. When I press play, Audacity will only play the highlighted part, so I can double check that I've got the right section. Oops, made a mistake. Let's edit this out. I can also use the loop function if I want that part to play over and over while I decide. Oops, made a mistake. Let's edit this out. Oops, made a mistake. Once I'm sure, I have a few options for deleting. I can go to Edit and then Cut. Or I can use the keyboard shortcut, Command X on a Mac or Control X on Windows. Or I can simply right-click and choose Cut. If you've used the loop function, just remember to clear the loop afterwards by right-clicking the bar at the top and selecting Clear Loop. Here, I also have a spot where I accidentally repeated part of the script. And explore how fashion has shaped. I'll edit this the exact same way. Highlight the section, then cut it out. And explore how fashion has shaped. Editing usually means listening to your audio several times and making small adjustments until you're happy with how it sounds. After cutting out those repeated lines, my podcast intro now plays smoothly and seamlessly. This has been the basics of recording in Audacity and removing unwanted sounds. If you have more advanced editing questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the Makerspace staff or your librarian. We're happy to help.